Have you ever felt anxious, emotionally heavy, irritated, or mentally exhausted without fully understanding why? Sometimes, difficult emotions from past experiences may remain unresolved. These are often described as trapped emotions. A trapped emotion may develop after a stressful event, painful relationship, loss, rejection, fear, embarrassment, childhood experience, or any situation that felt emotionally overwhelming. Even when the event is over, the emotional effect may continue. Trapped emotions may influence mental well-being in different ways. You may experience constant overthinking, sudden mood changes, emotional sensitivity, low confidence, lack of motivation, difficulty trusting others, unexplained sadness, or a feeling of being emotionally stuck. Some people may also find it difficult to relax, sleep peacefully, or feel emotionally connected in their relationships. For example, someone who experienced rejection in the past may continue to fear rejection in new relationships. A person who went through criticism during childhood may grow up feeling that they are not good enough. Someone who experienced loss may carry sadness for many years, even when they try to move forward. These emotional patterns may influence how we think, react, communicate, and make decisions. The first step toward emotional healing is awareness. Pay attention to situations that create a strong emotional reaction. Ask yourself, why does this situation affect me so deeply? Does this emotion feel connected to something from my past? Is there a repeating emotional pattern in my life? Journaling, meditation, breathing exercises, therapy, emotional support, and healthy daily routines may help improve emotional well-being. Energy healing approaches may also be used as complementary support. One method I offer is called the emotion code. The emotion code is an energy healing technique designed to identify and release trapped emotional energies that may be connected to past experiences. During an emotion code session, muscle testing is used to identify emotional energies that may be ready to be released. The session is performed remotely, so a phone call or personal meeting is not required. I only need your name and date of birth, and after the session, you receive a report explaining the emotions identified and released. Many people use emotion code sessions to support emotional calmness, confidence, relationships, stress management, and overall well-being. Please remember that energy healing is a complementary wellness practice. It is not a replacement for medical care, psychotherapy, diagnosis, or treatment from a qualified mental health professional. If you are experiencing severe anxiety, depression, trauma symptoms, or thoughts of harming yourself, please contact a licensed mental health professional or emergency support service immediately. To book an emotion code session or request more information, check the link in the description or contact me directly. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who may benefit from this information. Take care of your emotional health, and I will see you in the next video.